Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If your water heater is not heating water properly, don't panic just yet. In many cases, the problem is something simple that you can fix yourself without calling a technician. In today's video, I'll show you 5 easy things to check before spending money on repairs. These tips work for most electric water heaters and can save you both time and money. Let's get started. The first thing you should check is the power supply. Sometimes a water heater stops working simply because it's not getting electricity. Go to your home's breaker panel and look for the water heater breaker. If it has tripped, switch it fully off and then back on again. Also check if the heater plug is loose or disconnected. In some cases, a power surge can trip the breaker without damaging the heater itself. After resetting it, wait around 30 minutes and test the hot water again. If the breaker trips repeatedly, stop using the heater and contact a professional because there may be an electrical fault. The second thing to check is the thermostat. Sometimes the thermostat gets turned down accidentally, especially in homes with children or after maintenance work. Most water heaters are set between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If the setting is too low, the water may feel only slightly warm or completely cold. Carefully remove the access panel and inspect the thermostat setting. Use a screwdriver if necessary and adjust it slightly higher if needed. Always turn off the power before opening the heater panel for safety reasons. Now, let's move to one of the most common fixes. Most electric water heaters have a reset button, usually located behind the upper access panel. It's often red in color. If the heater overheats or detects a problem, this button trips automatically to protect the system. Turn off the power, open the panel, and press the reset button firmly. If you hear a click, that means it was tripped. Turn the power back on and wait some time to see if hot water returns. This simple reset fixes many heating problems instantly. If the heater still doesn't produce hot water, the heating element may be damaged. Electric water heaters usually have 1 or 2 heating elements inside the tank. Over time, these elements were out or burned due to mineral buildup and continuous use. Common signs include water staying cold, hot water running out very quickly, strange noises from inside the tank. Testing a heating element usually requires a multimeter. If you know basic electrical work, you can test continuity yourself. If the element is faulty, replacing it is often much cheaper than replacing the entire water heater. The final issue is sediment buildup. Over time, minerals from hard water collect at the bottom of the tank. This buildup creates a barrier between the heating element and the water, reducing heating efficiency. You may hear popping or rumbling noises from the tank. To fix this, drain and flush the water heater tank. Turn off the power and water supply. Connect a hose to the drain valve and carefully empty the tank. Once drained, flush clean water through it to remove sediment. Doing this once or twice a year can greatly improve heater performance and extend its lifespan. Before calling a technician, always check these 5 things: power supply, thermostat settings, reset button, heating element, sediment buildup. Many water heater problems are simple and can be fixed at home with basic tools and safety precautions. However, if you notice burning smells, leaking water, sparks, or repeated breaker trips, stop using the heater immediately and contact a professional technician. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy home appliance repair guides. See you in the next video.